Wow, I really like being in the library, Jenny, right? I agree, Giselle. We should definitely check out some books as well. Oh, come on, Bossy! This is a library! You have to be quiet! Oops, sorry, I didn't know. As you can see, there's a lot of people here, and we need to try to quiet down a little bit. Yeah. Not again. Not again! Bossy, you know that whistle is really, 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 really loud, right? Oh, yes. Sorry about that. Where are you going? No cell phones? I'll just see what would happen if I do it in front of a big class. Ah! Come on! This is really loud.